my name is Marc Schoonover. I'm one of the senior sales reps here at Whiteboard, and I talk to loan officers and brokers all over the country every day. And people are looking for CRMs to be able to help them manage relationships and make sure that they're keeping things on track. With CRMs, there's basically 5 rules no matter which solution you choose. You've got to be in it every day. You've got to make sure that you're completing those tasks. Don't let anything slip through, because that's helping automate other things in virtually every system that you'll use, including Whiteboard. Rule number 3 is make sure that as those pieces of information are entered in, you're collecting all the information. Rule number 4 is big blue save button at the bottom of the screen in Whiteboard, and others it could be a different type of a button, but make sure you save that data and then repeat until the task list is done. And that seems really silly to say it that way, but if you're not, you're going to miss something. Now, what I'd like to do is take this opportunity to show you how that works in Whiteboard. So give me a second, we'll get started. That task list is seen on your screen each day that you log into Whiteboard. There's a clearly defined list, and it's either going to be related to a relation with a client, past relationship, past one that you've done, make sure that you're maintaining the relationships over time, birthdays, holidays, newsletters. But the task is going to be related to that client or a task directly related into your pipeline. So you're managing relationships and pipeline and tasks throughout the process in one system. The task list is here. Simply click the task. When you start your task, you're going to enter your note, whatever that is. When you complete that task, from that point forward, anyone that enters that note for that client is going to see that the time and date stamp that the task was done, what task it was, who did it, and what happened. I'm updating information in fields. That's rule 3. Rule number 4, anytime a field is entered, rule number 4 is always hit the big blue save button at the bottom of the screen. Once that's complete, it's going to take you to your next task. That's rule number 5, rinse and repeat. Because if you're completing this task list every day, while Whiteboard's doing the rest of these actions, which ends up being about 65% of the things that you need to be doing to collect the app, to collect the docs, to keep everyone updated throughout the process once it's in underwriting, and never lose contact after you close. That task list is integral to all of that, because the next task that you're doing may be moving this from there to there and triggering a new campaign action to take place. That's why all 5 rules need to be done every day. Log in, complete a task, update your information in your notes, hit save, and repeat.